In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Agile for sprints, all in just 5 minutes. Clickup is a powerful project management tool, and when used effectively, it can really streamline your workflow, especially when it comes to managing Agile projects. So, let's dive right in and get you set up with using Agile sprints in Clickup. First things first, we need to head over to the Clickup website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Once the site fully loads, you'll notice a familiar interface with various options laid out for you. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. Next, when the login page appears, you have different options to sign in. For the purposes of this video, we will click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you'd like to use. Go ahead and select the account associated with your Clickup workspace. You should now be looking at your Clickup dashboard. Here, the next step is to locate the plus icon in your space. Quite an important feature when setting up new tasks or projects. This icon is generally located on the left panel of your dashboard, quite conveniently placed for easy access. By clicking on it, you'll open up more options allowing you to add new elements to your space. The next thing we're going to do is click on Templates. Using templates can significantly reduce the amount of time you spend setting up because they come with pre-designed structures tailored to specific project types. Once you've clicked through to the Templates section, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the kind of template you're looking for. Type in Agile, and a list of Agile templates will quickly appear before you. Now, keep an eye out for the Agile Sprint Planning template. This is the one that will really get your Agile sprints off to a great start, offering a structured yet flexible approach to your tasks. Click on Agile Sprint Planning, and you'll be guided to a new page with more details about what this template includes. It's always a good idea to review these details to ensure it meets your project's needs. Once you feel confident with your choice, locate the Use Template button. It's usually highlighted to grab your attention. Clicking this will incorporate the template into your workspace, allowing you to begin setting up your sprints immediately. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've set up Agile sprints in ClickUp, utilizing its robust templates to streamline your project management process. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember, the more you explore ClickUp, the more possibilities you'll discover to enhance your workflow. Stay tuned for more tips and guides in the future.